I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of
Get myself situated. Oh, my bun is high. Gosh. Hi VAMPS! It has been quite a while since y'all have seen my face, and if you're watching this video, that means that you've also seen my channel name has changed. I am going more, I don't know, I guess as I approach older age in life, I'm just like, you know what? I don't know if ethereal vamp really works for me anymore, but I'll still call you guys my VAMPS. We are on the road. It's just me and Tyra. Everybody else is busy, so we are just gonna go down to the beach, have a few drinks and stuff.
Busy.
We're thinking,
Busy, real busy.
They said they were busy. We're thinking of going to 111. I've never been, but it's like one of those beachfront like restaurants on the higher end of the spectrum. But it is West Coast, so what else would you expect? So yeah, I'm gonna get some shots for you guys, and then also in the vlog tomorrow I'm going to this food carnival thing. I've also never been to anything like that in Barbados. I don't think we've ever had anything like that either. So you see, it is pouring rain.
Why does this happen every time
You have a beach day? It is pouring. Last time we went,
I had a whole plan for y'all.
yeah, and I was dressed up that same time too.
Yes.
Had full glam and everything.
Yeah. God. Well, hopefully it clears out. I think there's some patches though, but
It looks like a Passover. We've made it. Tara has a whole load
a guest star.
on my channel. I think you keep it as interesting though. Let me get out the road. There's a car coming. It's a very narrow road. Why come on this side? Alright, so I was saying we are headed to the beach now. We're gonna spend a little time there and then we're gonna go to 111. So I'll let you guys know when we get to the beach. I don't look too bad though. I don't look too bad at all. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I've done my makeup.
I would expect that to be face.
You can be in front though. I don't know where this place is.
Just crossing the road here.
No, people beating that out. Sir, please. Drive your vehicle. Drive your... Exactly. You could have let me cross.
I get a better view. That would have been the thing to do, right?
Not this white man shaking that weed. Not the white man. Do not kill me. Do not kill me. Can we live? Go somewhere after this, so it's like we don't want to get ruined.
Yeah, you don't want to get like melted off.
Yeah.
It probably will happen to me anyways. I'm like already halfway melted.
No, you'll be fine. Not even pouring.
It's torrential. It's literally torrential. I wonder if they can even tell. Can you see the? No, you can see the
You can
raindrop.
see it. You can see it. Yeah. They're like at this point. Anytime you plan to go to the beach. cars and stuff. Yeah. There's reversing now, and then we are heading into 111. I didn't even know it was in Spice Zone. You can hear the music. Like the rain poured, so my hair, I thought my hair would be messed up. There is no putting on her outfit. I am not in lane.
So shitty.
Okay.
You took here for a whole bag?
I'm trying to not look like I come straight off the beach. I mean, although this place is straight off the beach, but I wanna, you know, spruce up a bit. See? Smell nice. You want a little bit of this, Tyra? Oh. Sure, look presentable. So we're gonna sit over here.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause
That's why I sent my yacht to
We do a beach trip.
The only thing is there's gonna be nobody on the road.
because everybody sticking 111. But
you
look
feeling,
at this!
Mark?
Look at this water.
Yeah.
It's pouring. We were just in this, you know. We took a quick dash out, and we were like, "Yeah, we're gonna just go for it," because we got on swimsuits. But it's crazy. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when I hit the food festival. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna see y'all when we hit the food festival tomorrow, because look at this rain. Okay, so we're now at the gymnasium where the event is supposed to happen, and I think we'll just park over by the aquatic center and walk over.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the girl, feel murder,
The friends are here.
you're lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work.
man, you got good. Melina got here and Shelly Young Fraser thing.
Pardon?
You're gonna have the hot
Melina got jump, Melina.
Hot sauce today?
You beat Shakira for
Look
sure.
at the sauce. It's all the condiments blended together with some
Yeah, I
seasonings.
will take that.
All right, Denisha and Champagne the sugar. We go again, we go again.
Oh yeah.
We go again.
I can still take a bite. I feel like a little small, but can't get
Misha here with her, you ain't the lines.
Thank
Misha
you
here with
very
her.
much.
Still. Come here.
I really wanna get so big. Back to the future.
Okay guys, so we're leaving the event. It's not over, but the rain has came down and they didn't want to be here anymore. So we're going Mojo's. I might vlog a little, depending on how I feel. We'll see. Things did not go like what we expected. It really was not what we were thinking it was gonna be, but that's events in Barbados in general. So we're gonna see how Mojo's is. So here's my very quick review of TruckUp. We paid $25 to enter and we didn't get any complimentary food or drinks. You had to pay the vendors in cash, but you had to pay in tickets at the drink stall. There was one tent that was serving beer and water and one guy was working in there, so it took forever to get anything. We waited in line for 2 hours to get a hot dog and that's why I didn't get to try any other foods. All in all, I'm not sure it was my favorite experience, so I'm just gonna leave you guys with some tweets about the event.
Bridgetown, I'm from Bridgetown.